Viewers, you are welcome to this channel, MA Mathematics. We try our best to give you the maths you need from your basic school to your senior high school level. This morning, if you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. You can subscribe and like my videos, and also turn on the notification button. Anytime at all I upload a new video, you can be able to have access to it. I also give you a thumb up if you try your best and share my videos. So let's go into today's lesson. Today we are going to look at difference of two squares. And with difference of two squares, there are some key things you need to know before we can move on with the key term difference of two squares. We need to understand what is perfect square. Perfect square. A perfect square is a number multiplied by itself to give a result. The result that you get, that result becomes a perfect square. Just example like, if I have 2 times 2, this gives me 2 squared, and the result is 4. I have 3 times 3. This will give me 3 squared, and the result is 9. If I have 13 times 13, this will give me 13 squared, and the result is 169. So this 4 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. 169 is a perfect square. If I have 5 times 5, this will give me 25. So 25 is a perfect square. So I can say that 4 is a perfect square of 2. 9 is a perfect square of 3. 169 is a perfect square of 13. And 25 is a perfect square of 5. Now, if I have 2 perfect squares subtracting each other, then I can say that it is what? Difference of 2 squares. So, difference of 2 squares if I have 25 minus 4. So this one I can express it as 5 squared minus 2 squared. So this is a difference of 2 squared. And in this case, I can get my answer as 5 minus 2. 5 plus 2 rather. 5 minus 2. If I do it well, I'll get this one plus this. You have 7. And this one, 5 minus 2 will give me 3. The answer is 21. And if I want to do it with the other way, I want to go by calculator, or just want to use my knowledge and my mind. So I have 25 minus 4. You realize the answer is 21. Comparing the two, you realize you get the same answer. Now, in a mathematical context and a difference of 2 squared, if I have a squared minus b squared, the results I'll get will always give me a plus b. All this multiplied by a minus b. Or if I have b squared minus a squared, what I'm going to get here will give me b so what I will get give me a minus b and b plus a and b minus a. So this is difference of 2 squared. So anytime you are given a question and the difference of 2 squared, you realize it's difference of 2 squared, you can use this method. So any 2 perfect squares subtracting each other, then it's become difference of 2 squared. Unless it is not a perfect square. But if the numbers are perfect square, you can easily apply your difference of two square. Or you can say that a square of a number minus a square of another number, then it becomes difference of two square. So the a I have used here is a variable that can be used to represent any number. Good. Let's take one example on this. So I have example 81x squared minus 4b squared. This is example 1. Example 2, 53.8 squared minus 46.2 squared. So if you have this example and you are asked to solve, difference of two squared is very perfect and can be used in terms of factorization. We can also apply difference of two squared to solve a simplification question where you are asked to simplify without using calculator. We can use difference of two squared. So let's try this one. Example the 2. If you are asked to solve this one without using calculator, you apply the difference of two squared. So I have 81x squared minus 4b squared. This one can give me 81 is a perfect square of 9. So we have 9x all squared minus 2b all squared. So with this one, I can have 9x squared, 9x minus 2b, 9x plus 2b. Yes, I have decided to exchange the positive. I have brought the negative to this place, the positive to this place. Multiplication is commutative. It does not matter the arrangement. However you arrange it is correct. The second one, this is the one. The second one is 53.8 squared minus 46.2 squared. With this one, we'll apply our difference of 2 squared. 53.8 minus 46.2. This one, let me put plus t here. 53.8 minus 46.2. So with this one, we'll have, when you add these two, you will get 100 multiplied by 53.8 minus 46.2. You get 7.6. When you multiply this one, it's simple. So we have two zeros, 1, 2. We just come here and remove the decimal point 2 times. 1, 2. And that gives me 7, 6, 0. Therefore, our answer to this 2. This one will give us this, and this one too also give us this. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or you are not clear with something, you can ask under the comment section. I will try my best and answer you. Thank you very much.